Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's begin the suji cake. You have to take 2 cups of suji, and this is the suji, but you have to grind the suji before soaking. And then you need 1.5 cup of milk. Now this I have grinded the suji. I will be adding 1.5 cup of milk to it and leaving it for next 30 minutes to soak. This is how I have added the milk to it, and I think the consistency is little thick, so very little, say a tablespoon of milk I will add more, and I will just leave it for 30 minutes to get mixed up properly and soaked. Okay, so just leave this, and the next ingredients you will be needing are wheat flour, atta. Then that I have taken half cup wheat flour. You can take maida instead of this if you don't like too much of atta. Then I have taken baking powder 1 teaspoon, and baking soda half teaspoon. I've added in the wheat flour, and then after that I have just sieved it so that it mixes very well. Now the atta is also ready, and another thing you need is half cup of milk. Sorry, not half cup, this is 1/3 cup of milk. So you need 1/3 cup of milk and 1/4 lemon. That would be enough. If you have a small size lemon, then take half lemon. Basically you need 1 teaspoon of lemon. So just mix it in the room temperature milk. Milk should not be very hot, and once you mix it, it will curdle down. So then just leave it, and we are waiting for the suji to get soaked up properly. Then our next thing you need is half cup of oil and sugar you need 1.5 cup, but if you are not very fond of too sweet cake, then you can take 1 cup and 1/4 of sugar. Now I have added the sugar to the suji batter along with the oil and the curdled milk. The curdled milk I will add little by little after mixing it little bit. See, I'm mixing the batter properly. First I have to mix all this. Then once it is done, then I will add the curdled milk slowly. Okay, so I have added the curdled milk completely, and after this I will be adding the wheat flour in the end. If you are not using wheat flour, if you're not interested in wheat flour, then you can always add maida in that, all purpose flour. But I am not a very maida fan, so I generally don't like maida in any of my cakes, so I add atta. So slowly you add wheat into your cake batter, and after you have finished, then you can add little essence. I have added vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon is enough, so I'm just adding that with little idea. Okay, so once it is done, then you have to take the kadhai. That is the main thing used in this. See, this is the kadhai, and as this is the only second time I'm making this cake, I'm really very happy with the outcome. So take the kadhai and cut down the butter paper as per the size of the kadhai, and spread little oil on that, and simply pour your batter into the kadhai. Just completely put it down, and then this cake has to be cooked in a very very low heat, on very low flame. See, I will just reduce the flame first. This is the high flame and this is the low flame. Now I will keep the kadhai there, but one thing you have missed out, that is the hole from where the pressure will come out, that you have to cover. Okay, so I have taken a small piece of paper, and with that I will cover the hole. It is going to be blocked now. Now you have to leave this kadai, just leave it for, it will take another 35 to 40 or could be 50 minutes depending on your flame. So now I'll just show you in between how it's coming. See, it's puffed up quite a lot. It's coming out very nice. So the cake is ready. Let me see if the stick comes out clean. Yes, it is clean. And the cake is ready. So let's cut it down and check out how it looks. Yeah, it is very, very spongy, and I'm very happy with the outcome. Please do try this and subscribe for my channel. Bye bye. Take care.